Alright guys, just picked up a new project yesterday and actually put the dirty Dodge to work for the first time. You want to see it? I'll show it to you. Here it is. This is a 1995 Honda Fourtrax 300. Really, it's just really dirty right now, look. So, I know it'll clean up. This thing sat outside for like 15 years. Tires are completely dry rotted. You know, these are the original tires. I bought this. Is a one owner bike. Bought it from the original owner. They bought it brand new from a local Honda dealership. You know, it basically just needs to be gone through. I've got a battery for it. I've got a carb kit. Obviously, I'm going to change the oil and spark plug, air filter, rear diff fluid. One of the front wheels is locked up. I think it's this one. I, like a dum-dum, I squeezed the front brake lever and it never retracted. And I've already ordered a new master cylinder and everything. So I think this one's locked up. I'm going to have to get in there. I may have to replace the, what are they called? The wheel cylinders that push the brake shoes out. But overall, for this thing sitting up for 15 years and it being a 1995, it's really not in that bad a shape at all. I've already checked spark. It's got plenty of strong spark, and it's also got 120 pounds of compression on the cylinder, so we're all good there. I mean, it's all complete. It's got the original toolkit in there. I'm probably going to order a new seat because the way this one is like pushed back like that, it just really bugs the crap out of me. Brand new OEM seat assemblies, like ready to snap on and go, are like $100. And this one's not too bad ripped up, but you know, it's a little crusty. That's going to be one of the last things I do, though. The gas tank is full of rust. I mean, a lot of rust in it. So I'm going to have to deal with that. I'm probably going to have to clean that out and coat the inside of it. So that's going to be a project in itself right there. Yeah, like I said, original tires, man, still got plenty of meat left on them, but unfortunately they're just dry rotted beyond the point of usability. So, oh, that's cool. Got a trailer hitch on it. What do you know? But yeah, I'm pretty excited about it, man. I picked it up for a real good price. And I actually, when I was looking around for parts online, I saw LED headlight bulbs that are supposedly super, super bright. So I may try some of those. But again, I'm going to deal with the mechanical stuff first. You know, here's the other side of it. I mean, that motor it's clean, man. They didn't use it for mudding or anything like that. They only used it at their deer lease when they were younger. And you know, it shows, man. I am missing this little side cover right here, but I found those on either eBay or Amazon. I think eBay. And they were only somewhere around 25, 30 bucks, something like that. So probably get a new one of those. It's still got the grommets in it too. Get you some. Somebody must have stole his cats. Good Lord. But anyway, I've already got some tires ordered for it. I got some sunf something or another. I can't remember the model of them, but they're basically just a good all-terrain tire with really deep lugs, and they're 6-ply. And then I ordered some, I think they're Kenda Bear Claw or something for the front. And I went with those. I went with those for a very specific reason, and it's because they were some of the cheapest ones that I could find. Okay, so they're still good tires. You know, I could have got some cheaper, honestly, but I wanted to go with something that was at least 6-ply. I'm heavy, man. I'm over 300 pounds, and I'm assuming that bike's about 300 pounds. So, you know, I don't want to be out in the woods at the family farm and, you know, run a stick through the sidewall or something like that on a little 2 or 4 ply tire. It's just not worth ruining your weekend to save 20 or 30 bucks, man. So anyway, I'm pretty excited about it. So if y'all want to see me breathe some life back into this old girl, y'all stay tuned, because that's probably going to be the next 3 or 4 videos right there. So as always, I really sincerely appreciate y'all watching my channel. If you'd be so kind, consider subscribing. If you're just feeling nuts, if you're out of your mind, subscribe. But go ahead and click the like button too. I'd really appreciate that. So anyway, like I said, appreciate you, and we'll catch you on the next one. Have a good one.